Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 11th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the euro dollar, I think what we're going to end up doing is making a correction to the last five waves up on the 4 hour time frame. Probably going to even going down to take out the low of wave four. We might actually pop up one more time before we go down, maybe up something like that. But I do think there is a pretty good chance we're going to make a push down before we make the bigger push up. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last move down right here. I have a feeling because of the dollar index that we might try to pop up one more time, maybe even go up to one of these higher fib levels. But I think overall the move is going to be down. I think it potentially is going to end up being like an ABC correction to those five waves up that I just showed on the daily time frame. Today is CPI inflation data, and normally that is a pretty big news event, so we'll have to keep an eye on that and see how that turns out today. But as of right now, I think that this is the most likely Elliott wave pattern that we will be seeing. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.